All right, this is our last problem here on the worksheet 10.3. Again, this comes from a previous AP. They give us two velocity vectors here, one for dx dt, one for dy dt. They tell us that the position at 0 seconds is 0 in the x and -4 in the y. But we don't have x and t and yt explicitly given. We don't have a position function given to us, just the velocities, right? So A, find the speed of the particle at t equal 3. So that speed is going to be the square root of, put 3 in for dx dt, and that's going to be 12 plus 1, so 13 squared, plus put 3 in for t on the y, that's going to be sine of 9 squared. Put that on a calculator, and you'd get 13.007. So I think you'd get a point for that and a point for that. B, find the slope of the tangent line at t equal 3. So we're looking for dy dx at 3 seconds. That's going to be dy dt over dx dt. So that's going to be the sine of 9 over 13, which if we do that on a calculator, would give us 0.032. So 1 point for this idea and then 1 point for that right there. C says, can we find the position at t equal 3? Well, so let's start with the x. So we're at a position of 0 at 0 seconds. So we're going to have, I'm just going to put it in there for the sake of understanding here. We start at a position of 0, and our position changes from that time, time 0, to the time we're looking for, which is time 3. How does it change? By dx dt, 4t plus 1. So I set that up, and I end up with an answer of 21. Okay, that's my x coordinate. For the y coordinate, same idea, except this time the y coordinate at 0 was -4. So -4 plus from 0 to 3. How does y change? It changes by sine t squared dt. And if we put that into a calculator, work it out, we get -3.226. So these are the coordinates of where this particle is at t equal 3. So I'm thinking you get 1 point for remembering the initial, 1 point for figuring out how to set that up, and then 1 point for the final answer. That'd be my guess there. And we get D, what's the total distance traveled by the particle? Total distance traveled is the integral from 0 to 3 of the speed. So we'd have dx dt, so this is 4t plus 1 squared plus sine t squared dt. If you do that correctly on a calculator, you should get 21.091. Point for the setup, point for the answer.